of the Riverside videos within our running series. So the first one I did was an 8 mile. This one is going to be now a 7 mile, or just over 7 miles. So I'll show you where I cut it off to make it a mile short. Okay, so it's the same basic route. I'm going to go between the water treatment facility and the neighborhood, go through the tunnel of Fry Road. There's your half mile. You're going to go along the sidewalk path to get to your mile. You're going to go on the north side of the lake. There's your 1.5 miles. Okay. And then your 2 mile will be right about here. Okay. So you're going to cross that bridge. And so the difference here between the 8 mile and 7 mile is basically not coming down all the way to South Fry Road. So this one will be just going across the bridge, okay, then heading north, and coming along the path, going underneath Cinco Terrace, and along the north side of the bayou. There's your 3 miles right there. You're going to continue along the path, and then along the south side of the path back to Cinco Terrace. You're going to curlicue through the tunnel, then back along the path and head south to retrace your steps. Alright, the 5 mile mark is just on the other side of this bridge. You're going to continue on the south side of the lake this time, just like you did or would have done on the 8 mile lakeside loop. And then your 6 mile mark is basically heading up along Spring Green. You're going to go through the tunnel underneath Spring Green back to the start. Alright, and the other difference here is as you head back to the start, instead of starting out by the baseball fields, you would start in the normal area of the shot put. Alright, have a great day.